Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right into today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Alright guys, if we are looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see the overall crypto market cap is sitting at $2.6 trillion. We are up 0.3% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 44.5%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing some mild red across the board, but nothing to worry about. You guys need to keep in mind that we are in a weekend, and we are seeing Bitcoin having quite a bit of a rally towards the upside. It is in all-time high territory, so that is also mainly one of the reasons as to why we are seeing altcoins lag rather than go up or outperform Bitcoin in the immediate short term. But today, guys, I want to look at none other than Harmony One, because Harmony One has been doing something very, very interesting. So let's get right into that. Alright, my Harmony One holders, if we are looking at the Harmony One's price, we are currently trading at 21.8 cents. We are down 2.9% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Harmony One's market cap right now is $2.3 billion dollars, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $102.3 million. Current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 68 spot. So we have climbed up quite a bit in the ranking over the past week and a half. So that is a very bullish indicator on itself that we need to keep in mind when we are looking at the charts. But if we are looking at the charts, as you guys can see, in the last year alone, guys, this is absolutely insane. In just the last year alone, Harmony One is one of the best performing crypto assets in the space. Let me repeat that again. Harmony One is one of the best performing crypto assets over the past 1 year alone in the space. It is up 4,470% roughly over the past 1 year, and in the last 14 days, it's up 33.4%. So that is a very, very bullish thing that we do not want to be looking we do not want to be ignoring when we are looking at the prices for Harmony One. But now let's deep dive into the charts and see what's exactly going on and where we could be going, where we could be seeing Harmony One go in the immediate short term. So right off the bat, guys, one thing I want to point out for you guys is exactly what we predicted has happened with the price of Harmony One. If you guys go watch my video in Harmony One earlier, I was saying, guys, Harmony One chart is looking like it's ready, it's primed for a breakout. We had a cup and handle pattern forming, and exactly what I predicted has happened, and we broke out of this a resistance level at this 20 cents mark back into this 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and boom, off we go. We went all the way up to 26.79 cents. If you guys, if we are bringing out the measuring tool, guys, we were sitting literally in this zone when I was making the video around the 17 cents mark. So if we are bringing out the measuring tool, we saw a move of about 60%, guys. We saw a move of about 60% for Harmony One. So absolutely insane gains being made. And despite the correction, we're still in this 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level zone. And whenever we're in this zone, guys, it's all-time high territory. It's always all-time high territory in this zone. Obviously, you guys know what has been happening. Let's not ignore Bitcoin has been on an absolute rally. We have broken out of this level of resistance at the $60,200 mark. First time ever since, to be exact, April 17th, guys. April 17th was the last time we were above this level, and this is the first time ever we have broken out of it. And now we are in all-time high territory. If we are bringing out the measuring tool, Bitcoin is literally away 6.5% from its all-time highs, and that is a very, very impressive thing to note, that even though we are in a weekend, you guys know we do tend to see a lot of manipulation occur around the weekends. Despite that fact, we are seeing Bitcoin hold quite well. And I do expect Bitcoin, along with other analysts, are calling that Bitcoin is about to see some newer all-time highs. Some analysts are calling that Bitcoin could go above $100,000 this bull cycle. Absolutely insane, guys. This is absolutely mind-blowing. And if you're a Bitcoin holder and you've been holding since the absolute fear, when there was major fear across the board, back when Bitcoin was $3,000, and you held no matter what news came out, no matter what FUD was out there, and if you held, from the bottom of my heart, I want to, congratulate you guys, and you guys deserve the gains, and like 100% you guys deserve every single gain that is being made with the price of Bitcoin. So keeping this in mind, if Bitcoin were to break out of all-time highs, which I believe it is going to see happen very soon, we will see price discovery mode, which means there's no level of resistance or support levels, so the price can go up very fast, which could cause the BTC dominance to continue to increase. And that's also one thing I predicted happening, and that's exactly one thing that's happening as well. So that's something nice to see. And if Bitcoin hits all-time high territories, we will see BTC dominance 100% increase quite more than where it is right now, because more and more interest is going to flow into Bitcoin rather than the altcoins. What would that mean for the altcoins? So altcoins will trade sideways or even fall down in USD comparative along with BTC comparative in the immediate short term until Bitcoin tops off. And then we will see the money flow back into altcoins, where we will see the parabolic moves happening, and altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. By no means am I saying that Harmony One along with other altcoins will not go up with the Bitcoin price momentum. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying that we will not see the moves where we see parabolic type of moves happening, where we're seeing constantly altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. That's not what we're going to see if BTC dominance is sitting at those levels. But right now, guys, Harmony One is still looking very bullish, guys. Very bullish, and this is a project that is being slept on quite significantly in my opinion. And we are starting to see a lot of interest building up in it, because the month of October is very bullish, and overall it is a unique blockchain in itself. And that's what we're seeing, a lot of new blockchains getting interest building into them, and Harmony One is unique on its own, and it's definitely here to stay. But right now, we could possibly see some sideways momentum occur within this range, guys. Do not forget that we saw a 60% move towards the upside within the last week and a half. So, we cannot get greedy. Nothing is going to go up straight forever in one line. We need to keep other factors into mind, such as Bitcoin price, BTC dominance. And right now, I would not be surprised if we do see us hang around within this range over the next coming days until Bitcoin settles down. But this year alone, I could see Harmony One easily touch $1 if we were to see the type of parabolic run that we saw back in 2017 bull cycle. A lot of analysts are calling for that to happen, and I do not see why that would not be possible from happening. That means it's roughly a 4x away from $1, guys. A 4x away from $1. Very realistic. It could even go above $1 this bull cycle, but only time is going to tell. But long-term perspective, guys, you cannot put a price target on real products, working products, unique projects with strong communities, and by far Harmony One is one of them without a doubt, in my personal opinion, because I'm a huge believer on the project, and I believe it is going to do some very big things, long-term perspective as well. But one thing also I want to point out for you guys is the reason as to why we are seeing Harmony One perform very strongly is due to the fact that, if you guys don't know, it's a proof of stake consensus. So you could stake your tokens, and 41.88% of its circulation supply is off the exchanges right now. So meaning you cannot purchase about 44 points. So there's only roughly around 55 to 57% of its circulation supply available for to be purchased on the exchanges. I'm sorry, 58 to 59% of its available supply, to be purchased right now. So the rest, 42%, is off the exchanges because it's being staked right now. So basically, what you could do is, if you're in for the long haul, you don't care about the short-term gains, which a lot of people are doing right now. Even though Harmony One is not up there yet, considering hype-wise, it's clearly not up there. Once that happens, guys, imagine where this number will be when more and more people start staking Harmony One, and this number can get quite high. and that would mean that the price can move up very high when we do see interest building up. So meaning it's basic economic rule of supply and demand. When there is major demand coming in and there's less supply, meaning let's say there's only a certain X amount of coins available to be purchased, but the demand is so high, what is going to happen to the price? It's going to skyrocket. So you guys get the perspective as to what I'm saying. I believe Harmony One is going to see some massive gains this year alone. But we need to have patience and not forget that it has performed very well over the last year to 2 years. If you bought back 2 years ago, which I had, I strongly it's by far, again, you win some, you lose some. I still hold Harmony One, but boy, did I have big amounts of Harmony One when Harmony One was new and it came out on the Binance Launchpad back in 2019. But again, like I said, this is this basically goes to show that holding is the number one key to do. As long as you believe in the project and you believe in the vision and you have invested what you can afford to lose, then holding is your number one strategy to follow. You could make some life-changing gains in just a matter of couple of years. That's how powerful cryptocurrency really is. But with that being said, guys, I am going to wrap up today's video around here. Let me know in the comment section below where you guys could see Harmony One's price go in the immediate short term. So let me know where you could see Harmony One trading at the end of this year. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And let me know, what are you guys doing? Are you guys staking your Harmony One? Are you in it for the short term, long term? Let me know in the comment section below. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. This helps my channel a lot, so your support would be greatly appreciated. And thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. I love each and every one of you guys. Always remember, your support does not go unnoticed. I love each and every one of you guys. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.